Hello children, how are you? I am happy to see you all again. And as I am happy, I want to recite a poem for you. Now, which poem should I recite for you? Let me think. Okay, I want to recite a poem, Bits of Paper. Now, see the picture of bits of paper. Can you see? Okay. Now children, as you know this poem very well, you can also recite it with me, with actions and expressions. Title of the poem is Bits of Paper. Bits of paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Where shall we throw them? Where shall we throw them? Throw them in the dustbin. Throw them in the dustbin. The place is clean. The place is clean. Very good. The children, today I also have some bits of paper. Can you see bits of paper in my hand? Can you see bits of paper? Okay. Now these bits of paper, I don't want to throw them in the dustbin. Instead of throwing them in the dustbin, I want to use them and make something creative out of it. I want to make something beautiful out of it. Now what can I make? Let me think. Yes, I can make a paper collage, and you can also join with me. So children, today's subject is craft and topic is paper collage. Now this is our second topic. Then which was our first topic? Do you remember? Yes, paper boat. I hope you all have made paper boat very nicely and you sticked it on the paper and you have drawn water. And what else you have drawn? Sun, clouds, mountains. Okay. And it's looking very nice. Your picture is looking very nice. Your boat is looking very nice. Okay. You enjoyed making your boat? Very good. Same way, you will enjoy this paper collage also. Now before we go to the paper collage, let me explain you what is paper collage. Now in paper collage, we create a picture or a shape by using bits of paper. Now you can select any picture like your favorite animal or your favorite bird or a balloon or a kite or an umbrella, and in shapes you can select rectangle, square, circle. So children, here we have to stick bits of paper in the selected picture or shape. Now let me show you some examples of paper collage so that you can understand it very well. Now see this picture children. Can you see which picture is this? Yes, This is a fish and it is a paper collage. Now you can see the bits of paper stick in this picture. Which colored bits of paper you can see? Yes, you can see pink colored bits of paper. You can see red colored bits of paper. And you can see blue colored, orange colored bits of paper also. So it is a paper collage. Now let's go to the next example. Wow! This is a flag. All of you know this is a flag. And you can see the three colors of flag. Orange, white and green. And in the center you can see the wheel which is called Ashoka Chakra and it is in blue color. So children, this flag, this is a paper collage and here you can see orange colored bits of paper. Then you can see white colored bits of paper are stick there and you can see green colored bits of paper stick there. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. Yes, this is a butterfly and you can see which colored bits of paper you can see children here. Yes, here blue colored bits of paper are used and green colored bits of paper are also used. Now let me come to you again. Hello children. As you can see children, we are reusing the paper instead of throwing it in the dustbin. It means we are making best out of waste and our paper collage will be the best collage out of waste. So children, are you ready to make a paper collage? Okay. Now for the paper collage, you have to take a drawing paper. See in the picture. Yes, like this you have to take a drawing paper. Now if you don't have drawing paper, no problem. You can take any blank paper. Any colored blank paper you can take. After taking the paper, you have to write the name of the topic on the top of the paper. For that, you have to first draw a sleeping line and then on the top of the paper, you have to draw a sleeping line and then you have to write the name of the topic, that is paper collage. Now children, what is the spelling of paper collage? You can read, you can see in the picture and read the spelling. P-A-P-E-R paper and C-O-L-L-A-G-E collage. Read the spelling children so that you can write it nicely. P-A-P-E-R paper and C-O-L-L-A-G-E collage. So write the name of the topic like this on the line. Then in the left side corner on the top left side corner you have to again draw a small line and there you have to write the date. You can see there in the picture on the top left side corner. Can you see the line? I have drawn that line. There you have to write the date. Now, after writing the name of the topic, paper collage and date, you have to stick your photograph in the center of the paper. Now teacher has sticked her photograph in the center of the paper. You can see there in the picture. See how teacher has sticked her photo in the center of the paper. Like this you will stick your photograph in the center of the paper. Now see that your photograph should be passport sized photograph. Yes, we don't want here big photo, because after sticking the photo we have to draw a picture around the photo. Okay, so take a passport sized photo only. Now see that this photo should be in uniform. Okay, see that the photo should be in uniform. But children, if you don't have your photo in uniform, it's okay. You can stick other photo also. But see that it should be in uniform and passport sized. Okay. Now after sticking the photo in the center of the paper, we have to draw a picture here. Now I have shown you some examples of paper collage. You have seen fish, then flag and butterfly. Now here, which picture should we draw? Which picture will look like with your photograph, around your photograph? Which picture should we draw? Yes, someone has said, let me show you. Someone has said that every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. See children, read this quote. It is a very quote and it is for you. Let me read it for you again. You can also read it again and try to remember it. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. So my dear children, you are all like beautiful flowers in this beautiful world. So let us make a beautiful flower around your photograph for our paper collage. Okay, now let's go to the picture. Yes, can you see there? So there around your photograph you have to draw a flower like this. Now here teacher has not sticked her photo because you have to stick your photograph there. I just left the space empty so that you can stick your photo there. After sticking the photo, you are going to draw petals like this to make a flower. Now children, see that you can draw 6 petals. Okay, see that you can draw 6 petals. How many petals you have to draw children? 6 petals. Okay. Now why 6 petals? Because children, I have taken pink colored bits of paper. I can show you in the picture also. You can see in the picture also. See, I have taken pink colored bits of paper and I have taken yellow colored bits of paper also. See. Okay. So I have taken 2 colored bits of paper. Pink colored bits of paper and yellow colored bits of paper. So I want to stick one petal with pink colored bits of paper and other petal with yellow colored bits of paper, so that my flower will have alternate petals of pink colored bits of paper and yellow colored bits of paper. I will show you how to stick and all, but before that, let me show you how to make bits of paper. Now, as I told you, I have taken this pink paper. Now, generally, when we go to school, we make bits of paper from marble paper. I have shown you marble paper when we were making paper boat. I have shown you the paper, marble paper. So from that marble paper in the school we make bits of paper. But now we don't have marble paper. So I have taken this dark pink color paper and light colored paper, pink colored paper, light pink color paper and dark pink color paper. Now we have to tear this paper into strips. Okay, let me show you how to tear it. See, like this we have to tear the paper into strips. See how teacher is tearing the paper. Can you see here? Don't use scissor. You have to tear paper with your hands and you have to make the strips out of it. Now I have one strip which I torn just now. So from this strip again I will make bits like this. Now can you see the shape of the size of the bit of paper? Can you see the size? Yes. See that it should not be very tiny, because children, then you will not hold it properly. You will not able to hold it properly and then stick it in your picture. So see that it should be not very tiny. So tear the paper like this. I am enjoying it. You will also enjoy. Yes. See, like this you have to tear the strip, but for that you have to make the strips of paper and then you can make bits like this. Okay, can you see? Same way I have taken this light colored pink paper, light pink colored paper. Okay, now let me make the strips of this paper. See, if you can't tear it in one straight line, it's okay, no problem. But don't use scissor. You have to tear the paper with your hands. Are you listening, children? Don't use scissor. Tear the paper with your hands. Make strips like this out of paper. Now here you can take any paper. No need of taking pink color or yellow colored paper only. You can take magazine paper, you can take newspaper, or you can take red colored paper, you can take blue colored paper. Okay, tear it into strips and make the bits out of it. Okay, now I have these strips. Take only one strip and tear it into bits. Yes, like this. And enjoy making bits of paper. So now I have light pink colored bits of paper. Same way, similarly, I have taken yellow colored paper and I have made yellow strips. See, now I have this yellow strip. Can you see yellow strip here? Yes? Okay. Now let me make bits. Yes. Slowly, slowly tear it and enjoy. Yes. Now I have yellow colored beads. Yes. So in this way I have taken pink, light pink colored bits of paper, then dark pink colored bits of paper and yellow colored bits of paper. Now let me show you how to stick these bits of paper in our flower. Okay, now let me show you the flower first. Can you see your flower? Can you see? Now first I have taken pink colored bits of paper. Okay, now you have to take glue. First take glue. Let me open it. Take it out and apply this glue on one petal like this. Only one petal. Don't put glue on all over the flower. No, only one petal. Apply glue on only one petal. Okay, then take pink color bits of paper and slowly, one by one, stick them inside the petal like this. Can you see here how I am sticking it? So I am using here light colored bits of paper and dark colored dark pink color bits of paper, light pink colored bits of paper and dark pink colored bits of paper. Yes. It's looking very nice. It's a big one. Let me take small one. Yes. Can you see I have completed one petal by sticking pink colored bits of paper. Now after completing one petal, again take glue and apply it on the next petal like this. Okay, now I am going to take yellow colored bits of paper. In the picture also you can see yellow colored bits of paper. Slowly stick inside the petal. You will enjoy sticking like this, I'm sure. Okay. Now again we will take a glue and again we will apply it on the next petal. And which colored bits of paper teacher will use? See here, one pink. See in the picture first. First we have done first petal in the with the pink colored bits of paper. Then we have done yellow colored bits of paper we have sticked and done next petal. We have in the next petal we have sticked yellow colored bits of paper. Now next petal with which color we will do? Which colored bits of paper teacher will stick in the next petal, children? Can you tell me? Yes, pink colored bits of paper. You are very intelligent, children. So teacher has applied glue on the next petal and sticked on it pink colored bits of paper. Can you see? Yes. In this way, again I have applied glue on the fourth petal and sticked which colored paper now? Which colored bits of paper now? Yes, yellow colored. Can you see here? Yes. Can you see alternate petals with pink and yellow colored bits of paper? Can you see? Yes. Now how many petals are remained, children? Only 2 petals are remained. So now again you have to apply glue on the next petal and stick which colored bits of paper now? Which colored bits of paper, children? Yes, very easy. Pink colored bits of paper. So see, teacher had sticked pink color bits of paper in the next petal. Now only one petal is remained and teacher has sticked yellow colored bits of paper in it, and our flower is completed by sticking the bits of paper. Our flower is completed and our paper collage will look like this. Wow! Can you see my paper collage? Yes. See here. You can see in the picture also. You can see here also. See. Similarly, you can also make paper collage with your photo and bits of paper. So children, enjoy this paper collage activity. And now as we have made flower here, can we sing a song of flower? Yes. Which flower do you like, children? I like roses very much. I think you also like roses very much. So let's sing a song on a rose. You can also sing with me. Rose, rose, pick a rose. Rose, rose, pick a rose. A rose smells so sweet. A rose smells so sweet. Roses are red, pink and white. Roses are red, pink and white. They are so bright. They are so nice and bright. They are so nice and bright. So children, enjoy your paper collage and keep singing and keep smiling. Bye.